driving through Daytona. I'm talking about going there.
I've been there.
I've been too.
Lord.
We've both been. What ice cream would you like?
I would like a raspberry oat ice cream. Oh, come on.
That's not it.
What are you? Come on, people. What are you guys doing?
Who drives a pink Mercedes? Oh, come on. Hey, you made me look over there when it's already late.
Everybody just walks around.
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember what it's called. I think it's called Crane Lakes or something.
Green Lakes?
Yeah, something like that. Something with a crane.
Hey, my love. Don't put the shoe in your mouth. No, no.
Anything wall. What do you mean?
Coconut pie cup.
Charcuterie? You want charcuterie?
That ain't no good charcuterie. It's very people. Jalapeno cheddar summer sausage with cheese and pretzels. Oh, check this out. You should get yourself one and put it on your shoulder, you know, like in Jeffrey Ruler of Zamundo. This area smells good. Capri Blue. Of course, when you got all this in one place. And baby stuff. Now this is what I want. And there you have it. Buc-ee's coffee.
These two drinks here and
back to the car, people. Hi.
Hello, man. My name is Mark.
Hi.
Dude, man.
I'm so tired.
Y'all here, you got the restroom.
It's sunny. It's a sunny day. Ooh, guys, I can't tell you. It's been a tiring trip. But it's worth it. I mean, it's quite relaxing. We are here. Taking a break. Yeah. It's worth it, right, baby girl? Hi. Say hello. Then I gotta put stuff away, okay? Come on. You wanna come with me? Wanna come with Mama? Let's go. You wanna come upstairs? Okay, I'll take you upstairs. Isn't this beautiful?
You got it in reverse.
I know.
Did not see him.
They saw it. I was like that.
No, you weren't.
You just spoiled it
I
for
was
me.
looking.
What? Aren't you beautiful?
How you say this is beautiful? So wrong.
I'm Jay.
It's starting to rain. Can you help me sing Mr. Golden Sun so the sun will come back out? If you have a shaker at home, it's time to get out your shaker.
You're scary, man. for the anime fans. Check this out.
Young Midoriya.
Hunter X. For the diehard fans.
It's a road.
Yep. You need that, babe. I know you love. You got Pokemon, Spy Family. Over here, you got the vintage collection. Check out the bear, baby. It's our bear. Yeah. Oh, you built a bear. Oh, cool. Ah, this is tempting. That is.
Traffic. Getting
See,
to
like right
the
now,
beach.
he just passed. Pause. Pause.
Really?
No? I think I need some sunscreen too. Alright, people. It's a sunny day. We're here at Hanna Beach in Jacksonville.
Baby girl's first time in the ocean.
DJ over here. Hey. No, you do it. What is that, MJ? What's this? Hi. Hi, sweetness.
Say hi.
Hi. Got the big one. Say hi. Hi, people. Sweetheart, the sounds. house. Napkins. See.